Well, if you follow my videos, you've probably seen my office here. So I'm actually at work today. I'm actually doing something different out of my garage, but we are replacing the drive socket on a Vitamix 5200. All right, so I'm gonna remove this. And this is the Vitamix commercial. I'm gonna line that up there. Got my kit. It's a little key. Alright, so I've pressed the new one in. There's the old one that was worn out. And go ahead and push this one all the way down till that bolt lines up. We'll go ahead and tighten it. There's your Vitamix. All right, so hopefully if you've got issues where your blender's not working, I mean, I'm in the restaurant industry and sometimes you got to fix things quickly. I'll put a link on the description for the item that I use. It's actually, I bought a whole kit. Though I did not need the blade, I bought the kit. It's, I think it was about 30 bucks, but I always like to have extra parts on hand because when you're in any kind of restaurant business, time is money, and if you got to wait for parts, that's money that you're not, that is out of your pocket. So hopefully this helped you out. If you haven't done so, go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment if it helped you out. Any other tips that maybe I missed. You all take care and stay safe.